So that's my fish. It's in the pot now. I'm gonna leave it to cook, and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. You know, it's Chris in the kitchen today, making his one-man pot, Dr. Fish steam. While I'm here, I'm having a cup of coffee. That's my okra there waiting. And I'll see you guys in a bit. It's your boy Chris Brown. Peace out. It's about time to put my okra in. So that's my okra in. Now it's time for my okra to cook. Always put the okra in last because I know they'll cook quite easily. You know, I just leave them on the top and then the steam will cook them. So I just leave that to slow cook. I've turned it all the way down to 5, and I'll just leave it there for a bit. And I will speak to you guys in a minute. Analyze, I'm gonna be putting some crackers in. Jamaican green water crackers, water crackers. And I'll leave it for like another 5 minutes. Then I'll come back and I'll have some food. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. When it's finished, I'll give you a quick preview of how it looks. Alright, see you in a bit. But now my steamed fish is done, and that's it. Tell me what you guys think. Always make a comment, like and share. And now it's time for me to go get some food in my belly. Wow, the moment I've been waiting for. And I'm gonna be eating this all by myself. Peace out.